Hey, welcome back to another video. Today we got something really exciting. Our friends at SANDMARC sent us over a couple of their products for us to try out. SANDMARC makes iPhone gear like lenses, cases, and everyday tech essentials, all functional, minimal, and made to travel with you. So in this video, we are unboxing some very interesting lenses and a couple of iPhone cases, so you can level up your phone photography. Right over the top, we got the phone cases, one for the iPhone 15 and one for the iPhone 16 Pro. These are super lightweight. This one specifically is for the iPhone 16 Pro. Once you take it out of the box, the first thing you notice is how high quality and well built it feels. Personally, I like minimal and clean designs, and this black case definitely fits my style. Next up is the iPhone 15 case. It's exactly the same as the other one, great quality and very minimalistic. Now let's move to the lenses. SANDMARC sent me the 16mm wide lens and the telephoto lens. On the back of each box, you can see what's included. You get a really nice travel pouch that holds the lens and the accessories, which is super convenient because everything stays protected from bumps or scratches. Unzip the pouch and inside you'll find a small fabric bag with the lens. It even has a lens type, so you know exactly which lens you're grabbing without opening it. Inside the bag, you'll find a clip-on mount, in case you don't have the phone case. This lets you attach the lens directly on your phone. And finally, the lens itself. For their size, these lenses are pretty heavy, which is a good sign, because it usually means real glass and solid construction. The glass looks extremely clean and high quality, and honestly feels premium. The telephoto lens comes with pretty much the same accessories. Out of the box, you'll find a travel pouch, and this lens is noticeably bigger and heavier. The glass quality on this lens is honestly insane. It feels like holding a professional camera lens made for your phone. So here's everything you get inside the lens box. The clip mount, a clip for your bag, microfiber cloth, the lens itself, and the pouch. Now it's time to put everything together. The phone easily slides into the case. You can really see the strength and the texture of the aluminum around the mount where the lens screws in. To attach the lens, simply screw it into whichever camera you want to use until it's tight and secure, and that's it. Both lenses work with both cases, they attach perfectly, and we're ready to shoot. If you're into phone photography and want to level up your mobile shooting, definitely check out these and more products over sandmarc.com. They make high quality gear that delivers real results without overcomplicating your setup. And once again, thank you SANDMARC for sponsoring this video.